Hey scholars, I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today we're going to work on Module 6, Lesson 8, Application Problem and Fluency. So you will need some paper and pencil for both the application problem and fluency for today because we will also do a sprint. So with that in mind, let's go ahead and get started with our application problem for today. Our word problem says Lee found 15 sparkly rocks. Kim found 8 sparkly rocks. How many more sparkly rocks did Lee find than Kim? Once again, you will have 30 seconds to do C, U, and V in Q's because I think you guys do a fantastic job at that. So, mark, get ready, go. All right, go ahead and finish up what you have so far. All right. So let's see what you have so far. So what key numbers or labels did you circle? I see in my first sentence I have Lee, so I'll be sure I circle Lee because that will be one of my labels. And I see the number 15, and I'm going to circle sparkly rocks. How many sparkly rocks does Lee have? 15. So let's be sure we remember to go ahead and draw our arrow so we remember how many sparkly rocks he has. Now what about our second sentence? I will circle Kim along with 8 sparkly rocks. And how many sparkly rocks does she have again? 8. So let's be sure we also draw an arrow there. Once you have this complete, go ahead and check off the C and Q's. Now for our next step, what did you underline? Our question is, how many more sparkly rocks did Lee find than Kim? So that's our question. We want to be sure that we underline. Once you have that done, go ahead and check off your U. And what keywords did you box? How many more? We're going to box that. And what else? Than, because I know with this phrase, I'm going to compare how many sparkly rocks Lee have to how many Kim have. So let's be sure, since we're going to compare, what symbol are we going to use? We're going to do a minus sign, so we're going to subtract. Don't forget to include that. And go ahead and check off B. Now I want you to evaluate or think about what you know in your head. All right, once you have that finished, go ahead and check off your E. And now all we have to do is solve. To begin solving, I will go ahead and give you 1 minute and 30 seconds for your math drawing. And once you finish that, you can go ahead and do your number sentence if you have some more time. So get ready, set, and go. Have 1 more minute. 30 seconds. Go ahead and finish up what you have so far. Alright. So if you didn't finish, that is okay. You can pause the video if you like, or we can go ahead and compare what you have so far to what I have on my paper. So here is my math drawing. All right, so for my math drawing, I have L for Lee and K for Kim. I know that if I go back, I know that Lee found 15 sparkly rocks. So I have my math drawing here, and instead of just doing 15 circles, I just wrote the number 15. And instead of saying sparkly rocks, I just did the label R for rocks. And then I know that Kim has 8 sparkly rocks. So I drew my picture. Instead of doing 8 circles, I just wrote the number 8 and R for rock. So I just did a really quick drawing. And the question that I have to answer is how many more sparkly rocks did Lee find than Kim? And if I go back up here, I know that I'm going to write a subtraction sentence. So that's where I look. And I know I'm comparing the amount Lee has to the amount Kim has found. So I start out with Lee's number 15 sparkly rocks, and I did minus 8 sparkly rocks. And when I counted back, I got the number 7. What about you? That's great. So now we just have to write our statement. What do you think I write for my statement? I heard some great ideas. So for my statement so far, I have Lee has 7 more sparkly rocks than Kim. And don't forget to put your period at the end. Once you have your statement written, don't forget to go all the way back up to the top and check off S because we did solve our problem. And that will be all for our application problem for today. For fluency, we are going to do a sprint. So if you want to go ahead and grab a clean sheet of paper, you can. Let me go ahead and find the sprint for us. Let's get started. All right, so here is our sprint for today. You will have 1 minute and 30 seconds to complete as many problems as you can. Make sure you pay close attention to where your equal sign is and where the blank is in our problems. So on your mark, get set, go. You have 1 minute. Almost finished, 30 seconds left. All right, time's up. Let's go ahead and go over our answers for part A. The number 1 and going all the way down. So you have 7, 8, 9, 7, 8, 9, 8, 8, 9, 9, 7, 7, 8, 7, going back up to the top, 9, 9, 9, 9, 8, 9, 7, 9, 9, 7, 17, 17, 9, 6, and 3 for your last one. Go ahead and write how many you have correct. And we are going to get started with part B. So on your mark, get set, go. One more minute. Almost finished, 30 seconds. All right, time is up. Get ready to go over our answers. For part B. All right, so for number 1 is 7, 8, 9, 8, 9, 9, 7, 7, 8, 8, 8, 8, 9, 9, 9. Go back at the top. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 8, 7, 9, 9, 9, 19, 19, 9, 5, and 4. All right, so that is all for fluency application problems for today. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you tomorrow.